Hello, good morning. My name is Marisa Naristio with student ID number 2022-32099. Here I will be explaining the practical implementation of the material from the network security course, specifically regarding footprinting and scanning. And yes, footprinting and scanning are crucial technique in penetration testing and cybersecurity risk mitigation. These two techniques complement each other and provide a comprehensive understanding of the target attack. And one benefit of footprinting and scanning, the implementation of printing and scanning in the context of penetration testing and cybersecurity risk mitigation provide various benefits include a. Vulnerability identification. Footprinting and scanning help identify vulnerabilities in target system and network. Information obtained from footprinting can be used to determine the appropriate target for scanning, while scanning can reveal vulnerabilities that can be exploited by attackers. And B. Risk assessment data collected through footprinting and scanning enable more accurate risk assessment by understanding existing vulnerabilities. Organization can prioritize mitigation effort and allocate resources effectively. And C. Mitigation strategy development. Footprinting and scanning provide valuable information for developing more effective cybersecurity risk mitigation strategies. By knowing existing vulnerabilities, organization implements appropriate preventive and corrective measure to protect their system and data. And the enhanced security awareness. Footprinting and scanning can enhance security awareness with organization by understanding how attackers can exploit vulnerabilities. Security teams can increase vigilance and take necessary action to protect their system and data. And A. Security verification. Footprinting and scanning can be used to verify the effectiveness and of implementation security measure by simulating attacks organization and ensure that their system and network are secure from exploitation. And two, understanding footprinting and scanning. And then footprinting is the process of gathering information about a target before launching an attack. This information can be obtained from various sources such as and A. Public source, website, social media, online forum, and company directories. And then B. Private source, employee contacts, former employee and business partner. And C. Technical source, which search DNS lookups, tracer routes, and network analysis. And number 3, the goal of footprinting is to build comprehensive target profile, include A. Network structure, network topology, IP address and domain names. B. Operating system version, running service, and no vulnerability. And C. Application types of application use, application version, and no vulnerabilities. And D. Usernames and email address and contact information. And then scanning is an active process to test vulnerabilities in target system and network. Scanning is performed by sending data packet to the target, analyze the received response. And number 4, difference between footprinting and scanning. The fundamental difference between footprinting and scanning lies in the purpose and methods used. Footprinting aims to gather information about the target, while scanning aims to test vulnerabilities. Footprinting is typically done passively, while scanning is done actively. And then number 5, scanning methods and technique. Some common scanning methods and techniques include a ping scan, sending HMP echo request packet to the target IP address to determine if the host is active. And then B, port scan, sending packet to various port and the target host to determine which port are open. And C, vulnerability scan, identifying security vulnerabilities in target system and application using a database of known vulnerabilities. And DOS detection, detecting the operating system used by the target host by analyze the received packet response. And number 6 are types of scan. A, ping scan, advantage, fast and easy to use, determine if a host is active. B, disadvantage, can be detected by firewall and intrusion detection system. And C, implementation example, the ping command of Windows or Linux operating system. And B, port scan, advantage identifies open port and running service of the target on the target host. Disadvantage can be detected by firewall and intrusion detection system. And then implementation example, the nmap command on Linux operating system. And C, vulnerability scan, advantage identifies no security vulnerabilities in a target system application. Disadvantage request an up-to-date vulnerability database. And then implementation example, vulnerability scanning tools such as Nessus, OpenFace, and Quali. And then D, OS detection. Advantage detect the operating system used by the target host. Disadvantage request an up-to-date operating system fingerprint database. And then implementation example, the nmap command on Linux operation system with the O option. Conclusion is footprinting and scanning are essential technique in penetration testing and cybersecurity risk mitigation. By understanding the definition, methods, and techniques of these two techniques, organization can enhance their ability to identify and address cybersecurity vulnerabilities. Is important to remember that footprinting and scanning should be conducted ethically and responsibility. Organizations should obtain permission from the target owner before conducting footprinting and scanning. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.